Alright, so I just welded up the hole, cleaned off all the crap on that side. Going to put this back on. I'm gonna put the ethanol build back on this. I got the kickstand welded up. I'm gonna break down everything and give it all a brand new paint job. Got the alcohol build back on here. I'm gonna redo this whole frame shortly. So everything's coming off of it. I want to see how this runs. It's been sitting 48 days. People said all the rings and shit will go bad. I doubt it. I've had really good luck with this alcohol. It is about 38 degrees out right now. So we're going to take it for a ride in a minute here. I used the same carb I had on the other one. It's like 2.3 millimeter main jet, I think, is in that. 68 for the pilot. So it's alcohol though. I mean, that's just how it runs. It's running on C85. That's sat in a jar too for almost a month. So we'll see how this thing runs. It should start right up. I got the dial read on there with it and all that, and we'll just see how it goes. But I had to redo like the crank, the spikes. Oh, I got my kickstand welded all back on. Did all that good stuff. So all this is going to get fixed up, redone, looking nice and sharp, repainted. Gonna put this on all cleaned up. Looking for a copper fitting to go in there. I'm gonna plate it nickel so it all matches. So yeah, it's going. We got the 12 volt CDI and coil in there. I got the extender on that, so to fit it. So all is good. We're gonna see how it runs in a minute, and I'm gonna look it over one more time, and then we'll go from there. All right. Not bad. running. She's baking.